In today's video, we are going to show you how to set trade time in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to make sure that you are on the trading platform. This will open up the chart panel, and for you to be able to set a trade time, you need to locate that specific feature, and that can be found on the right side of the screen right here. So basically, this is going to be the investment amount. The time is the trade time or the expiry time. You have the up button and the down button. So the time section controls how long your trade will stay active. For example, let's say we're going to go around at this specific number. Okay, you see that? We have like put a bell marker. And then we need to manually adjust the timer here. For example, you can put in a specific hours if you want, like a definite hour, like 2. It's up to you. And for the investment, you can also put in a specific investment that you wanted. And then after setting your preferred duration, click outside the box to confirm. Okay, and there you have it. You want to make sure that your trade time should match your strategy, because your expiry time should allow the price enough time to move in your predicted direction. If you also wanted to add a pending trade, you can do that. And of course, you can also put in a specific hours for that or a specific time. Because one mistake many beginners make in Quotex is setting trade time too short. If your expiry is too fast, price fluctuations can easily knock you out, even if your analysis is correct overall. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can set trade time in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.